Tataka ba kayo kung saan na naman ako pupunta? Hindi natin alam.
Cebu Pacific on flight IJ4301. Salamat sa inyong paghihintay. Philippine Airlines flight pasahero, maraming salamat.
Ano makakapag-catch up hanggang? Kung tinatanong nyo kung saan na naman ako nagpupunta, bakit nandito na naman ako? Ano nangyari? Kala ko ba nasa Korea ako? Bakit ngayon na nasa Pinas ako at papunta ako ng Cebu? Malalaman niyo yun mamaya. O sa susunod na araw. O baka next year na. Pero isa lang ang sinisigurado ko sa inyo. Hindi nyo malalaman kung saan ang aking eksaktong lokasyon. I'm always 2 steps ahead. Stick muna tayo. Masyadong mahal ang ticket. Po si Kuya.
Kuya Rob.
Kuya Rob po.
Yeah.
Napakabait po.
Di ba na-meet ko finally si Miss Moy po?
Oh, W pala si Kuya. Sir.
Yes.
Sobrang salamat po.
Salamat
sa pagsuporta.
Short, always.
Enjoy po. Thank you po.
Thank you,
Bye-bye
Miss
po.
Moy. Salamat po.
Ingat po kayo, sir. Ay, akin na pala yung hubad siya. At naman ganyan, nasira ba? At yung hinubad ang aking baby. Ay, yan. Hi. Oh, I'm here. Outfit check. Outfit check. So, yan, punta na ako sa kung saan manglupalo pang aking collab. Makikita nyo yan one of these days. Hindi ko alam, sana this year, diba? Kasi baka malate na naman yung pag-e-edit. Pero okay lang yan. At least mahal ko kayo.
Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita.
Magdadrive kami, magma-mountain kami na kami ngayong araw.
Mag-healing with nature.
Healing with nature. Pero sana may abang dun. Itay. Mag-uuwi ako ng Itay. Kasama namin si Kuya. Kami tatlo. Ako magdadrive. First time.
Ito sasakyan ko niyan. Oh, riders.
Ibang dog yung gusto ko. Ibang style. Ibang style?
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan.
Hindi alam ni na mama kung magdadrive ako. Tara na! Ang kilikili kong basa ng mabasa. Brothers, there's a pump. Itay! Ina-ibol sa mo ko, itay! Heaven pala. Kasama silang girlies.
Yeah, may watermark kasi.
Ba't may watermark kayo? Di ba kayo nag-premium? Naka-sunglass kasi ako kaya di ko sila nakikita. Hindi ako nahiya. Dito nga po pala tayo sa Tops of Cebu.
Tapos. Sige, mag-news anchor ka.
Nandito po tayo ngayon at naghahanap ako ng mga apam pero lahat sila ay may watermark. Hindi pa sila nakakapag-premium kaya ganyan na lahat. May tatak.
Hindi siya makakahanap ng daddy. May watermark.
Itulak ko yata sila dalawa. Anong gusto nyo? Comment down below. Gusto nyo ba akong tumalon o?
Guta ka doon. Ang gulo naman ng vlog na to. Ipakita mo sa kanila.
Sino ang maganda? Ang view o ako?
Yung view.
Halimbawa, syempre may apam, no?
Pose ka.
Habang nagsa-sightseeing ka, ganyan ka. Ang ganda ng view.
Requirements ba yan?
Tapos ba nila ka? Ang ganda ng view, oh.
Sino ba yung nasa likod?
Pangit ng apam sa likod. Si Kuya yan. Kung gusto niyang makahanap ng apam, na friend ko, ayan.
Ganito. Sige. Ganito magpapansin sa AFAM.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Mistake. Mistake.
Mag-i-interview ka eh. Para kang ano,
So what do you feel about the Tops of Cebu as a foreigner, a PAM?
It's in my nature. I like to be on top, so.
Our APAM is useless.
Who are you? Who are you?
Pakita naman natin yung view. I-explain mo yung panahon. At ina naman ito.
Ang panahon po ngayon ay sobrang init sapagkat datapwat ako po ay sobrang hot. Kaya naman, pasensya na po kung nadadamay lahat ng mga tao dahil masyado akong hot.
Hindi ako makapag-focus. Yan.
Let's go! Ngayon, nandito po tayo sa Kalangitan. Hindi ko alam. Nasa Kalangitan po tayo ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung mapupunta tayo doon o... Ang dami po may mga magjowa ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, dito po tayo. Kung makikita nyo po ngayon, susundan nyo. May nakikita kayo sa aking background na nagyayakapan. Dahil ito ay Kalangitan.
Gusto mo sumali? Group hug sila. Group hug lang yung sinabi ko.
Meron naman dito Indiano. Ayun o, dalawa. Dalawa yun. Magpo-provide yun sa akin.
From Monday to Friday.
Alternate sila per month.
Gusto mo tumalon? Magagawa mo lang yan ng isang beses.
Gusto ko pero kasama sila. Ang ganda na. Ano naman i-video ko? Ano pong meron dito? Anong feeling? Anong feeling nang nakapink ka sa ilalim ng mainit na araw?
Ang alam ko lang yung ganda.
Ha?
Ano tayo?
Saan?
Anuhin na naman natin. Nasaan ba yung ano, yung maputing tao?
Let's buy burger. Do they have burger?
Like, I'll tell you what, like now, after being here for so many times, humidity doesn't bother me anymore. It's just like I adapting within 1 hour, I adapt.
So you're adopted child?
Wala ka talagang kwenta to.
Bakit ang ganda mo? Uy, paparatay. Kawawa naman.
Napagod.
Alright, yeah,
I'm watching a very famous vlogger right there, innit?
It's not my enemy.
Guys, please can you look after my friend? I'll just get the water. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What's this bullshit? You left me here. By the way, when it's just you and me, she's actually gay. She don't want to admit it. She don't know that yet, but that's the truth. Moi?
Guys.
Thank you po. Thank you for looking after him. Is he good? Is he behaving? Did he do something or whatever? Just comment down below, okay?
Salamat!
Nakapila sila sa harap ko, oh. Kaso masyado naman tayong makunat. Huwag naman masyado. Dapat mga nasa maximum na yung 40s. Bro, look at them.
Them 3, 4? I'm surprised that they could have walked in here. Where their wheelchairs are.
I just had eye contact with 2 of them.
Really? I mean, that's probably the only contact they can have with a woman.
But it's smelling like, you know, security.
Security.
Yeah.
Flappiness.
Sagginess. Pero talaga iniwasan ko dahil nagjo-joke lang ako. Ayoko naman talaga ng fan.
Baga? Wala siyang baga, may.
It's in it. It's not in it.
It's na ere.
Ito.
Alam mo yun? Ayun, oh. Ito yung ginagawa nila eh. What? Mariwanang po. Diba? No. Hey, Chef. How is it? Tastes like
Very
what?
fat.
How is it, Chef? Very fat? Very fat, Chef.
Very fat. That's one. Second, the bun is very cheap. It should be a brioche bun.
Oh.
And it's bland and needs some more salt. And a less fat ratio to meat.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef. Now you can shut the fuck up and
Busog. Hindi kami makaalis. We cannot go because brother's rented motor don't wanna work.
He's dead.
And it's my flight in 2 hours. How about you? Tomorrow?
I have flight at 10 in the morning. And you have work at 12.
She didn't even sleep yet for more than 24 hours.
yeah, I'm awake for 24 hours.
We all have our shit. So if this video will be uploaded, it means we came back in our places successfully. If I uploaded this. Look at that. Look at that. It's so good though.
Please, we still have the view. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Only look for positives.
We're stuck, but we have the good view. Appreciate everything.
Christopher, you wanted adventure? There you go. That's
There
your
you go.
adventure, motherfucker. Okay. Yeah, all of them. Stupid haircuts. All of them. All have.
Gossip
Tick,
going
tick,
on.
tick, tick.
Gossip
they're
going
all-
on.
100%.
He already knows that if they're from England.
100%. Sure.
So do they look good? Do they look good
They
for me?
just look-
For me?
No.
No.
They trash.
I don't deserve them, right?
No. They don't deserve you.
Oh yeah. Oh my
You
God.
don't deserve a drama, but they don't deserve you.
Yeah. Gosh.